I don't know how to use it.
We just got these group of kids wanting to take a photo in front of our FJ.
Okay. Thank you.
Not a problem. What is going on, everyone? So in today's video, we're gonna do a little Christmas spirit, even though I'm not the biggest fan of Christmas. She knows that. But I think this FJ kind of looks like a big Santa sleigh. Today.
What?
Don't you think so? It's a giant square, and we got basically this rack up there. Does it not look like a giant sleigh?
You're right.
So anyway, I thought it'd be a fun video to kind of decorate a little bit. I'm sure she'll enjoy it. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So today we got some mini lights. We just went to Walmart, got these. I was always been a fan of these style lights just because it looks like some old school stuff. And then we got some solar ones, and this is for the front because I don't have a plug to reach the front. So probably do this in the front. I'm not sure, what's this called? You know?
Reef? No.
Oh.
Greeny majiggity bidding, you know.
What she said. So we're just gonna wrap that around either the bike rack or around the tire. And then this, either gonna put this back here because it's kind of a perfect fit, or put that in the front grill. I'm kind of doing a bad job of planning this all. I'm gonna make it up as I go, and we'll have a Buc-ee's for support. All right, let's do this. All right, how do you want to start this?
I don't know. Should we start with the wheel?
Okay, that's... Oh, actually, first thing, let's see if the plug actually works in the back. So if you have an FJ, I'm not sure if all of them are like this. We got this. So we got a plug back here. I guess we should test it. I kind of feel like this was returned before because it was already open.
Or someone opened it to see what it looks like.
Maybe. You take this, you plug it in, I'm gonna...
Yeah?
Yeah, it works. Look at that, Hastings.
Wait, oh, I thought the light was singing.
And if you're curious how to open the rear glass, just put your key in here and hold it to the right, and it opens. Just like that. Alright, so since we bike, we decided to integrate the bike rack. We're gonna wrap this up, and we're gonna take my Santa Cruz and put it on here, and see how it turns out. Like I said, we're literally making this up as we go.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
How about instead, do you wanna... You look very proud. You want, instead, do you want to take all of that back and just do like a circle wrap, like a wreath here?
Nah,
Around
I
your
think
tire.
that's pretty good. Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these. What do you think, babe? On the tires?
I'm gonna leave this up to you, love.
All right.
Getting you in the Christmas spirit. Yay.
I think I'm making this harder than it should be. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Should I go through every single spoke?
Yep.
Hastings, should I go through every single spoke?
Yep.
Or every other?
It's funny because you're in like a sweater and a beanie. Hastings in a t-shirt and a hat.
Yeah, I'm doing this.
There's something wrong with the weather here.
Well, it's also 75 degrees right now in Texas. So, yeah, I was saying that to All right. Alright. Time to do the front of the car. So Cookie found this one, solar.
There's an on and off
There's
button?
an on and off button right there. First impression of this one, it feels very cheaply made. Not as durable as the other one, so I guess we'll let it charge.
5 hours later.
For real, right? This is why those light people charge so much to put up lights. Half of the time is just untangling their own mess.
I can't tell if you're untangling it
I don't know
or
either.
getting it more tangled.
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Okay. So this DFW airport is very nearby, so you can always hear planes. Actually, that is Love's Field because that is Southwest. But because of that, you constantly hear planes and it's horrible to record in, but it is what it is.
Oops.
There we go.
What are you doing up there, sir?
I'm alright. Oh, there's a bug.
Yeah.
And drop.
We can't plug it in.
Yeah. Oh wait, I have an idea. Alright, it's on. So you can... It works. Alright. Perfect. So, we're gonna do... So we have our front end. I guess we should do it, right? Yeah, we should do it. We should do it.
There he goes again. Zip tie everything.
Zip tie the world. Hey, at least I'm not using duct tape. Aw, look how pretty that is. Kinda looks like a mustache, but... So, front end's like that. You saw the sketchiness of how we wired that up. We got the solar powered lights up here. So right now that's charging. And then back here, we have these lights and my very, very sexy Santa Cruz back here. And that is connected directly back there. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little thing we did for the holidays. Hope you guys have a good holiday yourself and enjoy the B-roll of downtown Carrollton. Later, guys.